Greetings and welcome to my channel where I make garden art. A short while ago I made my first monster. I called him Mini Monster and had so much fun with him. I set out to make a mate for Mini. Meet Monstera. Since I had made one monster, it was a blast making a mate for Mini. I started as always with an armature of wire for legs and body and cardboard for Monstera's monstrous shoes. Then I used hot glue and aluminum foil to build up Monstera's awesome body. Monstera was no lightweight compared to Mini. My tips during this process are: wear gloves to protect hands from that super hot glue, and keep building and turning the piece and make the shape pleasing to you. Monstera has a thick, potato-shaped body with long legs and really big feet. Exaggerating the feet is fun and helps stability. This is how she looked when I was done with adding the foil. Look at those big feet. I used chopsticks to make the arms like this. Poke a hole, break the chopstick, and insert it back into the hole. Monstera is now ready for a coat of Pal Tiya. Here on the Pal Tiya website, you can see how easy it is to make a batch. It's soft like clay when mixed and cures rock hard. It's perfect as a lightweight base for my mosaic sculptures. Here's Monstera covered in Pal Tiya. Now to wait for her to cure, about 5 days. It's so fun when I can start playing with the face and building the personality. As I added the elements, I imagined Monstera as a fierce, brave, and fearless monster. While Mini was little and picked on by other monsters, Monstera was unafraid and protected the weaker ones. Like Mini Monster was, Monstera was alone, and they both would fit together when they ever met in my imagination. As for the Monstera sculpture, I used fused glass tiles, and dishes for head and body. Arms and legs were buccal beads. I used both thin set and epoxy sculpt for adhesive. The final element was added after grouting. I put a bouquet of flowers in Monstera's hand for Mini. Speaking of grouting, here are the final shots. Well, this I hope was a fun build to watch. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!